but it helps in positioning wherever you want. You want it outside, bottom 0, it can come. Yeah, it can come bottom 0. So again, bottom 0 means from where it was there. Yeah, now again make it positive, goes up. Bottom negative comes down. Fine. The next position we have is position fixed. What is it? Position fixed. Can I move the element with position fixed? What do you say? Can I move the element with position fixed?
No, sir. In the name itself, it will be
Ah,
demonstrate it is fixed.
in the name itself it is saying fixed. How can you move it? Good answer. But but okay, we can actually move the element. I told you initially, other than static, rest every positioning can help you move it. But
Yes, sir. Yeah.
but the name fixed, how it comes is you will understand soon. Okay, yeah, you'll understand. Okay, now let me increase the text for the paragraph. Okay, I'll add a paragraph. Okay, am I saying I'll put lorem 1000? It will be too much. Maybe I'll keep 100. So meaning 100 words, generate 100 words. Yeah. Now where are those X button, Y button? They're in the natural order. Do you see them? Not at all. You don't see them, correct? You don't see those buttons. What I've done, maybe I'll keep it one above the first paragraph only. Do you see where it is? It has actually by on its own it has moved. See, what is the positioning value I've given for this button?
Fix, fixed.
Fixed. That's all I've given. But it
Yes.
it, it is wherever it was actually placed. Initially, wherever it was there, that's where it is fixed. I'm scrolling, it is not moving. It looks like button is now you see is a button moving or the paragraph is moving or the document is moving.
Paragraph is
Yeah,
document
the
is
whole
moved.
document itself is getting scrolled, but button stays wherever it is. This is why it is called fixed. But I can position this element, meaning what if I want this positioning to be there in the top? Okay, top 0, left 0, or top, okay, okay, 10 pixel, okay, left 10 pixel. Do you now see what is the reference point when I say top 0, left 0? Relative was actually taking from its normal
Yeah.
position where it was there, correct?
Yes.
But fixed is not like that. Fixed reference point to move that element, okay, starts from the viewport 00. So I told you what is viewport. This visible area is called viewport. Now where is 00? Here it is. How? Let's make left 0, right 0. You will understand. On top 0. See where it is. Now if you increase now, it will start moving. If you increase now, it starts moving. But the reference point is top, the viewport. It is not even this Element also. It can go out of this element, out of this parent element. It is not saying within the card. Don't consider it as card. With position fixed, it is always viewport, how much our document it is. See now that element stays wherever we have placed it. 36, 22. This is why it is called fixed. Can you see some use case for this fixed? Have you seen where it has been used? Yeah, especially something like fixed. For example, now you see that there is something called stop sharing, correct? It is always fixed in the bottom.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, yeah. Correct.
Yeah. Now I can position it if I want in the middle, I can position it, but it's fixed there, correct? If I want somewhere else, I can position here also. This is actually fixed. An example for fixed is this one, the best example. Okay, fine. That's all. And you observe another thing, the space wherever these buttons were there, that is been occupied. It's not left vacant also, correct? It is coming out of its natural flow. It starts moving from viewport 00. Second point. First is it comes out of its natural flow. Second point is it starts moving from viewport. If you tell these values, I mean if you tell these two lines, plus another line is it is fixed. Okay. If you scroll the document, it doesn't move. Correct? If you scroll the document, it doesn't move along with that. That is fixed. You have to tell these three lines. So for every position, you have to remember this 3 point and you have to tell this 3 points, and that will be the correct answer. With that, you can actually convince the interviewer that you know this. Okay. Meanwhile, I think we'll give you a lot of examples in that we will practice this. But if I tell you this definition and ask you, okay, after 1 month or maybe even 15 days when the interview comes, you will not have forgotten. You will tell only half point, 1 point. But if you practice, see now why I am able to tell. It's not that I read today. I've used it. The more I've used, now I'm able to tell you. You don't have to buy it now. It has become a practice now. It has become like it has registered. To register like that, you have to practice. Not giving excuse that sir, this sir. No. Do assignments. You want to become good in CSS? Do assignments. Whatever it is, in front end, everything. You will do assignments, practice, then you will learn everything. Okay, that is position fixed. Okay, position fixed doesn't move after it has been positioned. Does not move when the document is called. Yeah, it is fixed. People also say it is like you hanging some photo onto the wall.